clear what it is. You have to open it. Oh, you like that bicycle, huh? Yeah? Open your presents. Riley. What is that? Can Mommy see? Riley. What is that? Oh, stuff for your hair. Stuff for your hair. Oh. Do you like it? Do you like it? What about your other presents?